Bitcoin investors, this unbelievable Bitcoin move will change everything, so be ready. Yes, be ready now. Without wasting any time, make sure to watch in the video from the start till the end to know which unbelievable move we're talking about. As you see guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. Today the Bitcoin is continued green, but as we told you in yesterday's video, we told you Saturday there is no huge move, and the Bitcoin now tried to give us here a double bottom as you see it, or a W. It's not yet breaking the neckline, so here in the daily you need to wait a little bit, but it happens something very important guys. Also we are now in the border of the downtrend here. In 4 hours we break it, but here in the daily it's not yet. Or maybe tomorrow or Monday when the market open, we're going to see which move or which direction we're going to change. Now Saturday and Sunday is too dangerous to enter. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 200 likes. And know you can do it. Yes guys, I know you can do it. So please my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. If you are interested, the link of our VIP Discord or our Patreon is it down in the description of the video and in the first comment. You click at it, you're going to land here. Either you choose VIP cryptocurrency or elite if you want, even for the SP500 long-term investment signals. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be inside our VIP Discord. That the video, that one here is it for if you're using the PC, and we got another one down here, that one, exactly that one, if you are using a phone. If you're facing any problem my friend, you can either text me here in Patreon or in the free Discord and we're going to solve that problem for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you, the Bitcoin tried to give us here now a double bottom as you see it here, or W here. Till now we haven't broken the neckline, that means there is no long yet. Another thing here, very important, you remember that downtrend from the tail of that candle and the one here. Till now we haven't break it here. That downtrend, you can make it even here like a flag. I show you those things before. I told you if it's going to be broken here in the top, it's going to be a flag and we're going to see the Bitcoin going to all-time high. So as we still waiting what's going to happen guys, plus we got here the down channel as we have, so you need to be careful even of that one, what the Bitcoin going to do when it's going to touch it. So you need to be careful a little bit. Me personally, I'm thinking from that level where we are, if the Bitcoin move upward, it's going to move a little bit till here 64k again, then from there it's going to fall down again. That's my view personally, because that candle will go in here, there is no volume, so as we still waiting to see what's going to happen. But guys, that is only for 1 week, 2 weeks till the end of this month. But for long term Bitcoin, it's still very bullish. There is nothing changed. So if you are a long term investor, forget about all that analysis. I just they say you are in a very nice level of accumulation, all those 6 months away, and also we are sideways here. So I think I explained to you everything guys. We don't need to make the video too long. Today, as every Saturday, and you see in the video in Sunday, we're analyzing for you the on-chain analysis to know even fundamentals. So let's go in there to start from the first indicator till the end. So let's go in there. First indicator guys, that one here, we've been analyze it here a lot here. That one is the stock flow. As you see it here, every time the color it's still red, and also every time we see it still red here. So there is nothing new here. And also we said we need to sell when the color become yellow like that. That means there is nothing yet guys. The yellow is going to be here in the top. So till now there is no selling guys. I'm talking here about long term, because those indicators, they working for long term, they don't work for short term. Till now the color hasn't become yellow like here, like here, like here. So there is no selling guys. As you see it, all those times when the color become become yellow at the top. Till now us we still only in the start of that cycle. It means it's left for it more room for us to start seeing the market started falling down. So it's still very early. People they've been with me here in that channel, they remember us down here and down here we've been saying buy. At this time there is nothing, guys. It's still very early. Don't be shocked by those market makers to sell you Bitcoin in a discount. So I think I explained everything, guys. The second indicator we got today. Second indicator we got today is that one here. That one actually telling you it's still very early even for to buy Bitcoin, guys, for long term. As you see it, guys, if we come here and we look in that place with blue here, same thing here, same thing here. That means it's still very early for us to buy the Bitcoin, guys, for long term. When you need to sell, when the Bitcoin enter here to that phase of red or orange here, as you see it here all those times. So it's left for it more room to go above till here. Oh, there is nothing yet for you to start selling or thinking of to sell, my friend. It's still very early for you thinking of to sell. Look at it here where you are. You still in that blue zone, and when you are in that blue zone, it's still very early even for you to buy. Remember those things what I'm talking about. That way me I told you if you are a long-term investor, it's still very early for you to buy for long term. So I think I explained everything to you guys. The third indicator we got today is it that one here. That one I explained it to you guys before. I told you that one. It's the M2 growth global, or the printing of the global. That one here I explained it before, but it's okay to repeat it. I told you here. Look at that zone here when we break in the all-time high. Exactly here what happened. The Bitcoin, it takes some time here, then after that he pumped. Yes or no? Look guys, I'm going to make it for you by colors like that to understand those things what I'm talking about. Over here it happened the break of all-time high in that level where we are now. What happened, guys? The M2 is it that blue one here. It's breaking the all-time high. Where is the Bitcoin? The Bitcoin is still below it. What that telling us, guys? If you see in here in the Bitcoin chart here in the previous one, I don't want to show you the past, guys. Even in the past it happened the same thing. The Bitcoin it take few days here to pump. Same thing now happening, guys. That way you see the MicroStrategy stocks they pumping because of that one, guys. Because the MicroStrategy they using about that money printing, so that's why we saw it, it's pumping those days. That's why me I told you it's still very early for you to buy the Bitcoin. It's still very early, my friend. So I think I explained everything to you guys. The fourth indicator we got today. The fourth indicator is that one. That one I explain it a lot here in that channel, but it's okay to repeat it. We do it like that. We draw in here a horizontal line here, and here in the top same line we draw it like that, and we said it here thousands of times, but it's okay to repeat it. We said, guys, look how many times after we touching extreme oversold area we pump, we touching the top one here, then after that we fall down, we touch that lower one, then after that we pump. Yes or no? We say that thousands of times. Let me show you those things what I'm talking about. Look here, look here, look here, guys. You see it? Same thing, it happened again. Look here, look here, look here. Same thing again. This time where we are. Look here, market fall down, he tested again. My view personally is going to pump again. It's going to give us a new high. The only time when it doesn't respect that is it here. Exactly in that time when it used to be that global shutdown. That now my view personally what's going to happen, guys. From that level where we are, I think the Bitcoin is going to pump again. Same thing, guys. It happened that thousands of times before. So I think everything is very clear. So if you are a long-term investor, you are in the right place to start a DCA and buying Bitcoin for long term. You are in the right place, my friend. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin, there is nothing new. Yes, it's breaking for us that 50 moving average here in 12 hours, but everything is still telling us we're still in a downtrend. The 100 moving average is still below than the 200 moving average. The 20 moving average is still below than the 50, so we need to wait a little bit. Even for price action, we haven't broken that downtrend here, even here in 12 hours, so there is nothing yet. Even if you look in here here at that place at the volume profile, what you seeing? Look at that level where you are and look the volume profile here. It's a huge volume profile there, guys. Why? Because last time from here it fell down. So it might from that level where we are, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again to that 59,190. So you need to be careful, guys. There is nothing yet confirmed. It's still possible we're going to see the Bitcoin from here dumping, but it will not dump that much. Me, as I said it in yesterday video, and I will say it even today, my view personally, we're going to see the Bitcoin even another sideways week till maybe coming days, or I don't know what's going to happen, but that's my view personally. My view is going to spend all the week sideways or falling down again. Levels, you need to look close at them where they are. That level here of 64,255 where we bounce back, and look at it here. Same thing now is going to happen here. Another level which is down here 61,698. Another level down here 59,190. Another level down here 56,466. So those was the levels, you need to look at them. People there with me also, we put a pending order here at 59,190, and we put another one down here. That one here, it's getting assigned. That one down here, we will see if it's going to get assigned, or the Bitcoin going to break for us that double bottom I just show you here, and we're going to cancel that one down here at 56k, and we're going to enter more long. Even that one it's possible. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, same thing like the Bitcoin. The only thing here, that double bottom, you are very close to it as you see it here. Well, now we haven't broken the neckline of it here for us to take it off to enter more long. I tell you that, and I told you even down here the Ethereum tried to give you here like a flag or a channel here. So if the Ethereum fall down and breaking down here the lower of that channel, we're going to use it like a flag, guys, for us to enter more short. If the Ethereum came and breaking the neckline of the double bottom or the W here, that one, we are going to enter more long. People there with me, also we buy from down here. This time here we haven't buy because it's in the same level. Now we are in profit. We're still waiting if the Ethereum going to give us a new high or no. Another thing I show it to you is it that one here. You remember it, what me I told you in yesterday video. I came I do it like that, and I told you it fall down to test it here. If it give you a new high, you can enter new long, and as you see it, guys, what happened there, it happened like that. Fall down, it tested. Now it give you here a new high, breaking the last high. Now what you need to do, you wait in the correction to happen down here for you to enter more long. So I think I explained everything here about the Ethereum. Now let's see the levels. You need to look at them closer here. Levels, you need to look at them 25.52. That one down here 24.24, and that one here in the top 27.06, and we got another one down here 22.83. So those was the levels. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it now in a very clear bull market. That man, welcome to the bull market. As you see it here, you are in an uptrend here in the Ethereum. There is nothing telling you you are in a downtrend. Also, we tell you all those things because of that divergence we show you before. What shall you do now? You can go more with it. Also, we show you here the downtrend. You can find all those things in the previous videos. We told you got here a downtrend. When it's breaking here, we told you need a confirmation here in the chart, and look at it. Now the Ethereum is going to go till 25.52, and after that we're going to see if there is a correction or not. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. We got here in smaller time frames at divergence. Should we enter a short based on a divergence? Not Sunday. We need to wait until the market open. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. Level, as I told you before, look at it here. How many times it bounced before here in that level? Look at it. First, second, now it came back, it touched it first, then it fell down. Again this time, I told you maybe it's going to fall down again, and look at it, guys. Should you enter a long? I just show you in the long, the double bottom here or the W here. If it's getting broke, you can enter more long. I show you even here the downtrend. I showed it to you before, that one here. till now it's not yet breaking it, so that means there is nothing yet, guys, telling you can enter along. And look at that down channel I show you in the daily, you see it here. You need to wait and if it's going to be broken here for you to go more long. If the market going to reverse from here, even though when it's possible, Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, guys. It's only smaller retail traders in the market. That way also we don't day trade. Another thing happened here in the Bitcoin, guys, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? The Bitcoin, he tried to break here that 100 moving average, but me I told he's going to do the same thing like how it happened here. Like how it happened here, it fall down and it's going to fall down here. That's why me I told you we're going to spend another sideways week here. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see our indicator we're saying here today. Our indicator, guys, here in the 4 hours, it's entered to the place where the bulls they're controlling, but there is no power to break that level here. You see it here, that level which is here in the chart. We touch it again and we couldn't break it. Now let's see if it's going to dump again like how it happened here before in our indicator. Same thing maybe is going to happen here, or we're going to break it and we're going to go till overbought area. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here in 30 minutes, we got a divergence here. And no, you will not see it here by your eyes like that. But we got a divergence. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm still waiting the break to happen down here. Yes, now he gave me here a double top here. And at that time when also we're recording that video, it's breaking the neckline. But it's going to fall down only to that low here, 62,400. That's why me, I avoid to enter here. I'm still waiting what's going to happen here. Bitcoin, he couldn't break that last high here, as you see that the first time when we touch it, that the second time, and now the third time. And look at that volume here. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. If the Bitcoin going to dump again to that 62,400, that the first scenario. The second scenario, guys, the Bitcoin is going to go back to break it after the fourth time, even though when it's possible. Now what you need to do, Sunday there is no day trading, guys. You need to wait till Monday. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator that the divergence I told you, guys, look at it here. You see it here, you got here a divergence, but if you're looking at it here, you got here an uptrend. That way me I told you got a divergence here. What also we waiting now, we still waiting the price action. The only price action we got now here is it that megaphone. If the market fall down and breaking the neckline here, we are going to catch another short, and that's what our job, guys. That way also we telling you every time, if you want to make money, join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily signals. Yes, Saturday and Sunday there is no signals, but in Monday we're going to give you a signal and you're going to make money with us. So if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it and you go and finish all the payment process till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. So I think picture is very clear, guys. By the way, if you made it from the start of the video till here, you are a very special subscriber. Go down to the comment section and write a hashtag, we use it together. I have done it for me to know the people that stick with us from the start till here. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.